Welcome to the new Manulife travel insurance website. This training will help you navigate our updated website and produce quotes for traveling Canadians. The first thing that's important to know is if you have an individual insurance selling code with Manulife, you are a RepSource user and should click here to sign in. This will redirect you to RepSource to enter your sign-in information, and once that's completed, you will be redirected back to Manulife Travel Insurance website. If you are an affinity-only advisor, you can sign in directly from the website. Before we start the quotes, let's take a look at the non-transactional information on the home page. At the top of the page, you can change language from French to English. Make sure you change it in the very beginning, since the language cannot be changed in the middle of a quote. The FAQ button gives you access to frequently asked questions about our plans. The search button allows you to look up existing clients. In My Profile, you can update your advisor information, change your password, and sign out. If you know which plan your client is applying for, choose it in the Products tab. That is the quickest way to get a quote with more specific questions. If you start your quote directly from the home page, the system will assume that the advisor is not sure which plan to apply for and therefore will ask more generic questions. Lastly, to the left of the home page, you will find the latest documents in What's New, updated articles on travel insurance, and information on our individually underwritten travel insurance plan. Now for the quotes, as I previously mentioned, choose the plan under the Products tab. Let's start with Single Trip Plan. Before we start completing the form, note that you have general information on each plan and access to marketing material to the left of the screen. So let's start completing the form on the right. Client's destination is international. Province of residence is Ontario. Coverage start date and end date. In regards to the age, if you are looking to quickly compare premiums, you can enter the client's age. However, we recommend you enter the date of birth from the very beginning to avoid any confusion. Also, you can add up to 9 individual plans at the same time. This means 9 policies and 9 different credit cards. The last question is, are you a family? Family coverage is only available for families traveling with up to 4 parents and grandparents and their dependent children and grandchildren. This means that a couple would have to answer no to this question. However, they will still get the 5% discount for traveling companion. Once that's completed, we can click on Show Plan. In order to allow you to see what the medical questionnaire looks like, we have clients who are aged over 60, which is why it's not possible to see the premiums at the moment. We'll have to start the medical questionnaire first, and once that's completed, we'll be able to see the premiums for each plan. For the purpose of this recording, we will answer no to all questions. However, as you know, it's very important to read each question to your client in order to get the right information. Once the medical questionnaire is completed, the premiums will appear to the left. For trip cancellation and interruption, you must enter the trip cost in order to get the appropriate premium. Make sure you click on Add this plan so it can be added to your checkout basket. If both travelers are purchasing the same plan, you would click on Add it. If not, you can choose a different plan for traveler number 2 by clicking on Cancel. If they are purchasing different plans, you make sure you click on the traveler's name to add their plan. The travelers' names can be added with the pen. And once that's done, you click on the check mark. Same thing for traveler number 2. Once that's completed, we can click on Accept. Make sure you read the pre-existing condition exclusion clause as well as the rates category and click on Accept. Also, note that the premiums mentioned are per person. Step number 3 has to do with the contact information. If you've sold to your client in the past, you can avoid entering the contact information all over again by clicking the Search and Retrieve button and searching by the following details in the drop-down menu. We'll search by the client's name, and once the information appears, you can click on Choose and it will populate below. Make sure you reconfirm the email address and the phone number. You can apply the same address to all travelers if applicable. If not, you would enter the separate address under the Traveler Number 2 tab. Again, we reconfirm the email address. Once that's completed, we can review the information for all travelers and click on Review and Pay. Review the client's information and enter the credit card number for each traveler. If the client is paying by if your client is paying by check, note that the policy will not be in force until the check is received. Once you click on check, make sure you check the boxes for the information verification and the terms and condition. If the total premium is being paid from a single credit card, click on Pay the total amount due with one credit card to avoid having to enter the same information twice. Once the information is complete, click on By purchasing this policy, all travelers indicate that they are agreeing with the terms and conditions and click on Purchase, and you are done. Your client will receive the confirmation by email, but you can view it in the Confirmation tab and search with the drop-down menu. We'll search by date as an example. and we will find 12 different results. If you need to email the confirmation to your client again, click on Send Confirmation on the right. If you would like to view the policy confirmation for yourself, click on Policy Confirmation. Since we no longer send the wallet cards to the clients, it's important you email it to your clients yourself. You can find it under the Products tab in the specific coverage. Here under Single Trip. And the wallet card will be on the bottom left with the marketing material. And off you go. This completes the training on how to produce traveling Canadian quotes. Make sure you take a look at the other videos, how to quote visitors to Canada and student travel. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to contact your dedicated Affinity internal wholesaler. Thank you.